Hello, welcome back to Craft Time. Today's theme is Gingerbread Man and we'll be making a Christmas tree ornament. Let's begin. For this project, you're going to need a lot of circle papers. I've used 10. You can use as many as you want. It depends on how many you use. It makes it thicker or smaller. So I've used 10 here, so it's this thick. But if you use more, it'll be thicker. If you use less, it'll be thinner. And then you need some satin ribbon. You need embellishments. I've used stars, but you can use something else. And that goes on the top of your ornament like that. And then you need some glue. So you have to fold each circle in half. The print side on the inside. So the white side is outside. If you have double-sided paper, that's wonderful. But whatever print is inside will be the one that is on the ornament outside. So once you've folded your circle in half, all you have to do is stick all the pieces together. So you take your glue and you put it on like so. Then you take the next one and you stick it like that. So it's aligned. And then you continue doing that until all your papers are stuck. Keep making sure it's aligned. So once you have something like this, you can bring your satin ribbon in and put some glue on your satin ribbon and you stick it like so. And then you also put some glue here. And you stick your satin ribbon and keep it as long or as short as you want. You can keep it longer or shorter. And then as the last step, you have to stick the last 2 semicircles like so. And then you can embellish as you want. I have chosen to put stars on it, so I'll just put glue here and then I'll stick, and then you take the other star then you stick it like so. And of course you can keep adding pearls or pom-poms or any other embellishments that you like to your ornament. And as a last step, I'm going to stick a flower on my star. And there you have it, your 2 Christmas tree embellishments. So today we made some Christmas tree ornaments. If you recreated, please tag us on da@heidelberg.library. See you next time and happy decorating. Bye.